silence. That was a really silent hi. Okay. Hi, and welcome to a day in the life of a textile designer. Right now, I'm knitting on my knitting machine because I have to make a scarf for someone, a order, and I really need to make it and finish it because I have been sick. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I already pulled through all the yarns and I set it up and I started knitting so far, and it's gonna be a scarf with an underwear pattern on it as well. I'm super excited because I haven't made one in a while, so I think it's also gonna be a very cute color combination. I chose blue, pink, and red, so it's kind of giving blueberry raspberry vibes in my opinion. So I hope she will like it because I could kind of choose the colors. She really liked red, and then the other colors were just whatever. So I'm hoping she will like it. I think it will be very cute. I'm not really sure what the main color will be. I think I will do red with an either small blue and pink stripes. I think that would be a nice detail. So I'm very excited. I think this will take me around like 2 hours. So it's now around almost 11. I'm quite late. But I still have my coffee. So I will drink that first a little bit because it gets cold really fast. And I have the cutest cup. Look at my cup. I got this cup from my girlfriend. It's basically me in a cup. It's so adorable. I love this character. It's already cold. Wow. that's not nice. But I will knit this and then I will come back to you with like an update later on. My scarf is done. I'm very happy. And it started snowing, which is super cozy. But it's done. I'm very happy with the color combination. I really like it. I opted for a blue underwear and then just pink and blue and red stripes. Very cute. I now will have to sew in all the ends, but basically the biggest work is done, which is the knitting. And I'm very, very happy how it turned out. Okay, I think it's now like 12 o'clock, so I will eat something first, and then I think I will either sew in the ends or I don't know. You'll see. I finished the scarf and she's looking very, very, very cute. This is her. I love the colors. It's very, I don't know, it reminds me, like I said before, of like a blueberry, raspberry kind of pie. I love the colors. They're like really like, I don't know, I love them. I sewed in all the ends and now I'm gonna prepare it, like pack it up so I can give it to the person it belongs to, and I'm very excited for that because it's so cute. I will also take some nice pictures from it so I can post it, I think. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to have like see more behind the scenes. I do post like stories and stuff as well, and if you want to see more creations. But I'm gonna finish this up and then I think I'm gonna go outside and go into the cold. So after editing the video, which is now exporting, I also finally finished the sleeve of this cardigan that I'm making, and I'm super excited because I actually think it's gonna fit real well. So the sleeves are a bit more poofy and then a bit more tight at the bottom. I did intend to block it, so that's why the sleeves look a bit awkward and it's a bit like short. But I ordered these like blocking pins right now with multiple like pins on it, so I can really nicely like pin it on my mats, because I always used to do it with just like safety, like the needles you use to sew. So I'm very excited for those to arrive tomorrow. So I will wait with blocking it today, but I already wanted to show you how it looks on so far. I think I'm very, very excited about it. Like, It's super thick, super warm. It's 100% wool, and I knit it with needle 8, so it actually went quite fast. I obviously still need to do the ribbing on the sides with the buttons, and I've never done ribbing with buttonholes, so I do hope it won't be too difficult for me. But you know, I'll just see how it goes. And then the neck, because for the neck I have a great idea, because this is like for I received this yarn, so I'm super excited that I get to like make a cardigan with a yarn that I like got to choose myself. And for the color, I had this idea, like a pink color in this fluffy yarn. And then maybe on the sleeves, like a light blue. I still have to like figure it out, but I have this cute little drawing of little me already wearing her cardigan. And I also want mine to be finished. But so far, I'm very excited about it. I first was a bit debating with the sleeves, but I do think they are going to turn out very cute. I didn't do any decreasing on the shoulders because I didn't really feel like it. I only decreased on the neckline here, but it's rolled in. And it's a pretty simple cardigan if you want to make it. I don't think I will write a pattern for this, but I could actually, but I'm not gonna write one. Maybe I'm gonna make like a tutorial on YouTube for it, but I'm not sure yet. But so far, very great. So I'm very happy that I finally finished that one as well today. So far, it's quite a productive day.